Look at that. Oh. Hello, friends. Oh. Today we're going to use this product. I picked it up at O'Reilly's. This is formerly known as Rage. It is Cover All Dark Fury Bug and Wheel. And as you saw, those wheels are pretty bad, but I'm going to take you in and let you look at it. The wheels on the back are not that bad. It's the front ones, obviously. They're going to be nasty. So we're going to give this a try. Now remember, I do not have a water source here. So we're going to try this with just the pump sprayer to rinse it off, and we'll see how that works out. But I'm excited to see if this does what I'm hoping it will do. Being non-acid, I'm hoping it'll still do a good job, especially on these wheels. So let's take a look at the wheels and we'll get started. These wheels are icky. Just icky. But these back here are not so bad. There's a little bit on there, but we'll be able to at least get them shining up. And the other back wheel. Like I said, the back ones are pretty decent. It's these front ones that are not so decent. So we're going to see how this Dark Fury coverall does. Okay, it says to water it down or wet it down. And we're going to do the cleaner ones first. So while I am letting that dwell, I'm going to put my gloves on. Now I bought this hoping that it would help me out a little bit. Because sometimes the rinseless just does not. Now if it's a clean wheel, the rinseless does fine.
It had the right trajectory, and then the wind came up. And I blew it in Bella's water.
I haven't put anything out yet.
don't lose cable.
I'm not mad at you, Bella, but you can't be in this stuff. You need to just chill for a while. This is the worst one.
Is it?
It is.
The driver's side front doesn't look great.
It's what?
But that driver's side front doesn't look great.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
So far, I like this stuff.
One time. Okay. A little blue suction cup.
No, what?
Can I have a little blue suction cup? Can't pull it. One time. Let's see. And did you pull? No idea where it went.
Well, I don't know. I wouldn't use something like that.
But I had it out enough to like sort of thing.
Well, now, there was a bunch of stuff. If you'll remember, I stacked it up in one of those things and put it on your bench.
Yeah. I just want to drop it in. Let's see.
That looks good. Super impressed with this cleaner.
Did a nice job on the wheel.
So, there it is. They look good, don't they? I love it. I love that coverall. I mean, if it's going to work on these dealership cars, then I'll try it on others. So we'll see how it goes. And then I'll do a final review on it. But I really like what it did. It did a great job. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And if you'll take a second to hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.